bet that cookie tastes like Yuck. Horrible. Your work is usually great, but this is really a miss. Don't like that green color. Nope, this is a hard pass. I know this will probably get lost in the comments, but sometimes when I'm home alone, I like to go out in my garden and cover myself with dirt and pretend I'm a potato. That's fugly. Firstly, I hate your voice. Secondly, it's crap. You're dumb. What's your nails got to do with this video? Duck off. That looks terrible. Your voice kind of reminds me of Sadness from Inside Out. I'm so sorry, but you sound very scared all the time. Each cookie? Yikes. Get a life. You just lost a follower, blocking you.
Nobody gives a shit, Martha.
I feel like a new haircut could do wonders for you. Maybe layers or bangs. I don't know, just a thought. She turned 4 and you made 3. Are you stupid or something?
Yeah. Oh wow, did you make this? It looks like a moldy avocado. This is so gross. It's disgusting. Barf. My boyfriend said that looks dumb. My girlfriend said that's not cute. Yuck. Your voice reminds me of the shrimp from Shark Tales. That looks ridiculous. Why would anyone do this?
I hope they hate it.
Waste of time for a biscuit.
Looking like a load of crap.
Barf, barf, barf.
Good thing it wasn't for you.
Don't mess it up again. Stay in the right corner.
You should be in the Olympics for wasting time. Too much time on their hands.
It's my job. I actually have very little free time.
Hate from Utah.